Hey sisters, it's me, Tiffany Taylor. Today we're unboxing this beading station. But first, before we get started, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Click the little bell right next to it so you know when I have a new video. And this is my Instagram right here, so you can follow me or something. Now, let's get started. And Hazel's here to do the bracelets with me. Okay, let's open it. Rip this.
Look the person's hand.
Whoa!
Oh! I know, say that one is something cute.
Oh my gosh, sisters. This is the shape of an emoji. This is to keep your beads from rolling away from you. This is the heart and the smile.
Whoa! What?
I think. Oh. And here's the instructions manual. And here's how to make some of the bracelets. So here it is. It has some beads. It's letter beads, a happy face bead, square faces, a star. Everything just looks so cool. I can't wait to get started. Okay, so we chose our beads. We have the string right here. And I got some beads. And the blue beads right here, smiley face bead. And there's something I need to tell you. See this blank bead right here. And this is like a tattoo. You need water to stay it on there. We don't like that because I just wish it was a stickers and it's simple and easy to put on. Well, it worked a little bit, sisters. That still looks cute.
It's a rainbow snake. I know that's kind of scary. Happy face, rectangle, square, star, ball, circle.
Done. How does it look?
And here's my charms here.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to join my Tipster fam. I love you so much, and I'll see you later.